Hold on, this can't be right.
What?
This kid is 16.
So?
He's already learning how to invest.
And?
And nobody told us we could even start learning this stuff.
Wait, isn't investing an adult thing?
That's what I always assumed.
So why is a 16-year-old doing it?
That's the question.
We spend years learning algebra. Okay, but how many classes teach us how money actually works?
Fair point. So what did this kid do?
That's the weird part.
He made a fortune?
No,
Then why are you impressed?
because he didn't start with money. He didn't start with money.
Wait.
If he didn't start with money, then what did he start with? Knowledge.
Okay, but let's be real.
I'm listening.
Most teenagers aren't thinking about investing,
Exactly.
and that's why this matters. When people hear investing, they picture this:
Fast money,
big profits,
zero effort,
which sounds amazing.
and almost never works.
So what do successful investors actually do?
They learn
That's it?
longer than most people are willing to.
What was the first thing that kid learned?
Not how to make money,
Then what?
how not to lose it.
Did he start buying stocks?
No,
Seriously?
he started practicing.
Practicing what?
Decision making.
That sounds boring.
Until real money is involved. Watch.
Fake money?
Exactly.
So mistakes don't hurt.
They still teach. They still teach.
You know what's funny?
What?
I've spent more time choosing a phone case than learning how money works.
Most people have. Days passed.
So the goal isn't getting rich?
No.
The goal is getting smarter.
Now you're getting it.
Can I ask something?
Sure.
What's the biggest mistake beginners make?
Most people think it's picking the wrong investment.
And?
It's actually starting without understanding what they're doing.
Wow,
Yeah.
that explains a lot.
Imagine two teenagers. One spends 5 years scrolling. The other spends 5 years learning.
Same age,
Same opportunities.
different choices, different future. So investing isn't really the lesson here.
What do you think the lesson is?
Start learning before everyone else realizes they should.
Exactly.
What's the best age to learn about investing? The same answer as planting a tree. And that is?
The best time was years ago. The second best time is today.